Hi, welcome to Modern Building Technologies. We have grown to become one of the pioneers in providing building technology solutions in UAE market. MBT offers a wide range of entrance matting systems to meet requirements of consultants and end consumers. Mats placed at entrances to stop dirt and moisture right there. They can be used on buildings and houses alike. There are many design patterns among these, so naturally, they add a hint of style to doorways as well. MBT offers commercial entrance mats for both indoor and outdoor systems. Outdoor mats, they can easily endure the elements, and keep building maintenance costs to a minimum. They're especially made with the ability to withstand mildew, mold, and moisture as well. Indoor mats, entrance mats absorb the moisture of shoes, to help against slips and falls. We provide indoor mats that fit your decor and style choices. Mats with logo, entrance mats are also an excellent method for portraying messages, displaying company logos, or in general creating a positive image of a business. Honeycomb mats, mats to shape, mats with aluminium rails. Mats by roll, our mats are also always designed to look the best for your personal and commercial projects. MBT provides heavy-duty mats, in a number of sizes, shapes, and designs, as per your needs. Call us today, and get a quote for your own personal or professional project. MBT. Building blocks of life.